Welcome patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here I am today sitting at the Brisbane airport ready to go on another Thailand tour. As you can hear, I'm sitting here with the airport. So I want to just say thank you to Wodonga, Mildura and Hawkesbury for actually inviting me in and supporting me throughout those 3 shows that I've just finished. Arrived home last night at 9 o'clock at night. And then you know, a bit of housework, got to bed at 2, back up to take my gorgeous little cat, who's 19 years old, down to my mum's to look after me while we're going to, while I'm going over to Bangkok. So if anyone would like to, is interested in looking and come, sorry, I'm really tired. If anyone's interested in coming over, my next trips I'm looking at is in August and September. If you want to private message me, I can always do a personal little shopping tour. Just to, you know, 2 or 3 of you with me, and I'll be going in August, September. So if you want to do that, come and see me. Otherwise, follow this and private message me. Don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Very tired this morning, but subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've got to my Facebook, my Instagram, and the YouTube, and click all those links that are up above as well. And happy sewing, everyone, and I'm going to sleep on the plane. Bye.